Warning, you're doing things to your car every day that could destroy it before 100,000 miles, and you don't even know it. Today, I'm exposing 5 hidden habits most drivers follow, and they unknowingly killing their ride from the inside out. Stick around till the end for one bonus habit that's silently killing your car right now, and it's easier to fix than you think. Welcome back to All About Mechanism. Habit number 1, riding the brakes downhill. Common mistake. You keep your foot on the brake going downhill to slow down instead of engine braking. Why it hurts. Constant friction overheats. Brake fade, warped rotors, boiling brake fluid, and ruined pads. You risk total brake failure and expensive rotor replacement. Fix. Ease off the gas, shift to a lower gear, lightly tap brakes only when needed, and let engine braking do the work. Habit number 2, skipping cold idle. Common mistake. You start and drive off immediately, no warm-up, even on cold mornings. Why it hurts. Cold oil is thick. Driving hard too soon means metal rubbing on metal. Even modern engines need a short idle to let oil flow properly. Extra damage. Without that brief warm-up, pistons and bearings wear faster, slowly cutting your engine's life short. Fix. Idle for 30 to 60 seconds, then drive gently. It lubricates and protects your engine before it heats up. Habit number 3, resting hand on manual shifter. Common mistake. You rest your hand on the gear stick. It feels natural and comfortable. Why it hurts. That small pressure gets transferred to the shift forks inside the transmission, causing early wear, whining, and synchro damage. In some cases, it can even bend or break a fork. Extra damage. Replacing damaged forks or syncros can cost $1,000 or more, depending on labor and parts. Fix. Keep both hands on the wheel and only touch the shifter when shifting. No pressure means less mechanical stress and longer transmission life. Habit number 4, ignoring tiny leaks and lights. Common mistake. You see a small oil puddle or an engine light flicker, but ignore it until next service. Why it hurts. Small leaks snowball into engine damage, low oil pressure, overheating, or transmission failure. Minor fixes cost a few bucks. Ignoring them can lead to engine or transmission rebuilds costing thousands. Fix. Act immediately on warning lights or leaks. Tighten, top up, or repair now to avoid massive bills later. Habit number 5, delaying fluid changes. Common mistake. You've heard flush is lifetime, so you skip transmission or coolant services for years. Why it hurts. Old transmission fluid loses lubrication, causing worn clutches and shifting issues. Stale coolant corrodes radiators, damages water pumps, and leads to head gasket failure. These repairs start at $500 and climb fast. Fix. Change transmission fluid every 60,000 miles. Bonus habit, overloading your car. Common mistake. You stack heavy stuff in the trunk or rack, assuming your car can handle it. Why it hurts. Excess load causes extra stress on suspension, brakes, transmission, and tires. Over time, it leads to worn springs, sagging shocks, poor braking, and transmission strain. Fix. Only carry what's necessary. Check your owner's manual for the max load rating and stick to it. These are everyday habits that most drivers don't even know they're doing, but they're systematically destroying your car before 100,000 miles. Stop these habits, and your car will last longer, run smoother, and cost way less to maintain. If this helped you learn something new, like and subscribe, and share with friends who need a car wake-up call.